In this video, I'll show you how to make a Telegram bot in Replit in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Create your bot with BotFodder. In Telegram, search at BotFodder/new bot, name it, and then copy the bot token. Step 2. Start a new Replit project. Go to replit.com and then create REPL, choose Python, and name your project. Step 3. Add your token securely. In Replit, open secrets environment variables, and then add key Telegram token, paste your token, and save. Step 4. Install the library. Open and run this code. After that, we next go to step 5. Step 5 is to write the bot code. In main.py, paste this code. After that, we run and test. Click run in Telegram and open your bot and send /start or any message. You should get replies instantly. Step 7. Keep it on 24/7. This is a recommended step. Open deployments, choose background worker, which works with polling, and then include your Telegram token in deploy secrets. Deploy so it runs continuously. Optional step is webhook setup. If you prefer webhooks, switch to web service deployment, expose a web server route, then set your webhook to the service URL in Telegram. Now you've built and deployed a Telegram bot on Replit. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.